Circle of Love is a new collection from our friends at Stamperia, and this is an 8x8 pad, and this is a new designer from them, Joanna Rivero. And let me show you. Now, as you know, their packages are filled with artwork. So as you can see, now Circle of Love is going to have some puppies in it. So we'll see that. We'll see if there's kittens also. And they are double-sided, so you can see very different artwork, very sweet, as you can see. And got some wood, we've got a puppy with a little girl holding a giant bouquet of flowers. Flowers all on the back. There we have our kittens peeking out of some tinware. And there we go, very perfect for spring, summer. It's going to work actually any season. We have lots of words. And not as many cutouts. Usually with Stamperia, we have lots of cutouts. So, Mi Familia, I can read that. And an all-over pattern. So that's what we have. Now, what's interesting about this collection is the die cuts. There are two sets. I've never seen that happen. There is one set, and this is called the Circle of Love Flowers. And as you can see, now I haven't counted these, and it's not listed on the package, but I will get them counted for you so you can know exactly how many, but I think you can tell right now there's a ton of them. And these are always on a very heavyweight board, and I just love that. It's going to give you a little bit of depth as well as depth and dimension as you add these to your project. And you can see I'm still got a whole pile of these. There's just a lot of different sizes, and that's really helpful too. We've got bouquets of flowers, we've got potted flowers. It's just really nice. So this is the Circle of Love Flowers die cuts. Okay, I'm going to scoot these aside and bring in the Circle of Love Dogs, Cats, and Embellishments. So again, the same idea. These are just really sweet. So we get some butterflies in there as well as the puppies and the kittens. I guess we get some birdhouses too. And just really very charming. So as you can see, so the Circle of Love can be with lots of, in fact, there's even a bunny. We've got some bows, we've got butterflies, and there's another little bunny. Very sweet artwork. Now, some of these borders, You Left Paw Prints in My Heart, are in Spanish, or yeah, Spanish. So just want you to know that. You can use these. You can, if the language doesn't work for you, you can certainly ink them. You can do some fab foil on top of them, so that just works. Sorry, I have plans with my pets. There we go. And moment. So just lots of things there, but again, a ton of them. So that's really nice. Again, it's a new designer for them and some new things, but what is also nice to see is the rice paper. Now this is called Bouquet and Dog. There's a little dog right there, and you saw that artwork. This is an A4 size, and this is the flowers rice paper, just lovely. And this time we have two stencils, which is interesting. Here is the roses, and here is the branches. Now, they measure 4 3/4 by 10, but the live area, meaning the area that has the art, that measures 4 by 9 on each of them. So that works nicely. So we do have the rice paper. We've got a ton of die cuts in flowers and in our friends. And then we also have the papers, all of them Circle of Love by our friends at Stamperia.